Imagine hosting a summer bash, your guests sipping on frosty cocktails, their drinks chilled to perfection with soft, chewable nugget ice that elevates every sip. Or picture yourself in your cozy home office, crunching on refreshing pellet ice while powering through a workday. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker Countertop makes these moments a reality, delivering 33 pounds of crave-worthy ice daily, wrapped in a sleek stainless steel design that fits any kitchen, bar, or office. This isn't just an ice maker. It's a lifestyle upgrade for party hosts, home chefs, and ice enthusiasts alike. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this countertop marvel is a must-have, diving into its standout features, benefits, and why it's perfect for your next gathering. Ready to chill like never before? Let's dive in. Why the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker stands out. In a world of basic ice trays and clunky freezer cubes, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker redefines refreshment. This compact powerhouse churns out 33 pounds of chewable pellet ice every 24 hours, ensuring you're never caught without ice during a party, family dinner, or solo Netflix binge. Its self-cleaning function, one-click operation, and smart design make it a top contender for anyone seeking convenience without sacrificing style. Whether you're cooling down mojitos at a backyard barbecue or keeping your iced coffee crisp in the office, this ice maker delivers. Let's break down what makes it a game changer for kitchens, bars, and beyond. Solving everyday ice woes. Ever run out of ice mid-party, leaving guests with lukewarm drinks? Or struggled with cleaning a bulky ice maker that's more hassle than it's worth? The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker solves these pain points with ease, never run dry, produces a whopping 33 pounds of ice daily, perfect for large gatherings or daily use, hassle-free maintenance. The one-touch self-cleaning feature keeps your machine sparkling without scrubbing. User-friendly operation. Just add water, press a button, and watch the magic happen. No tech degree required. Space-saving design. Its compact footprint fits seamlessly on countertops, from cozy apartments to bustling office break rooms. This isn't just an appliance. It's your ticket to stress-free, ice-cold refreshment. Key features that make the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker a must-have. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of what sets this ice maker apart. Packed with innovative features, it's designed to make your life cooler. Pun intended. Here's what you'll love. High ice output. Produces 33 pounds of nugget ice in 24 hours, ensuring you're always ready for impromptu parties or daily hydration needs. Whether it's a family reunion or a quiet night in, you'll have enough ice for everyone. One-click operation. No complicated manuals here. Add water, press a button, and let the advanced infrared sensors and dual indicator lights handle the rest. A large transparent window lets you monitor ice levels at a glance. Self-cleaning magic. The one-touch self-cleaning function uses circulating water to keep the machine pristine, ensuring every batch of ice is fresh and hygienic. Say goodbye to tedious maintenance. Compact and stylish. Measuring just 11.3 by 8.6 by 12.6 inches. This stainless steel beauty fits anywhere: kitchens, bars, RVs, or offices. Its sleek design adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. Chewable nugget ice. Soft, pellet-style ice that's easy to chew, slow to melt, and perfect for cocktails, sodas, or even post-workout hydration. It's the kind of ice you'd find in upscale restaurants, now at home. Bonus accessories. Comes with a scoop and 3 ice bags for easy transfer to your freezer, so you never waste a single cube. The unique sunken ice basket design holds more ice than competitors, maximizing efficiency. These features combine to create an ice maker that's as practical as it is impressive, catering to both casual users and entertaining aficionados. Benefits of choosing the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker. Why invest in this ice maker? Beyond its sleek looks and high output, it offers tangible benefits that elevate your daily routine and special occasions. Enhanced beverage experience. Nugget ice cools drinks quickly without diluting flavors, making every sip of your iced tea, cocktail, or soda burst with taste. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. Time-saving convenience. The self-cleaning function and one-click operation mean less time fussing with appliances and more time enjoying your drinks. Perfect for busy households or offices. Versatile for any setting. From home kitchens to basement bars, RVs to office break rooms, Its compact design and high output make it a versatile addition to any space. These benefits translate to a hassle-free, refreshing experience that keeps you and your guests happy. Who's the Ecozy Nugget ice maker for? This ice maker is a perfect fit for a wide range of users, making it a versatile addition to any lifestyle. Party hosts. Ideal for those who love entertaining, whether it's a summer barbecue, holiday gathering, or game night. Never worry about running out of ice again. Home chefs and mixologists. Elevate your culinary creations with restaurant-quality nugget ice for cocktails, smoothies, or food displays. Office managers. Keep the break room stocked with refreshing ice for employees, boosting morale and hydration. RV campers and small space dwellers. Its compact size makes it a great choice for RVs, apartments, or tiny homes where space is at a premium. Ice enthusiasts. If you love crunching on soft, chewable ice, this machine delivers the perfect texture for daily enjoyment, and no matter your lifestyle, the Ecozy Nugget ice maker fits seamlessly into your routine, delivering ice-cold perfection whenever you need it. Real-world performance. How it holds up. After testing the Ecozy Nugget ice maker, it's clear this machine lives up to the hype. Setup is a breeze. Just wipe it down, fill the water tank, and run the 20-minute self-cleaning cycle. Within minutes, it starts churning out soft, chewable nugget ice that's perfect for everything from mojitos to morning smoothies. The infrared sensors and indicator lights keep you informed, so you're never caught off guard by a low water level or full ice basket. While the ice in the basket melts if not used, the included ice bags make it easy to store extras in the freezer. The stainless steel finish not only looks premium but also resists fingerprints, keeping it sleek even in busy kitchens. One minor note. For the clearest ice, use purified water with low mineral content, under 200 ppm. Tap water works, but purified water enhances ice quality. This small tweak ensures your drinks look as good as they taste. Addressing common concerns. Some might wonder if the Ecozy Nugget ice maker is worth the investment compared to traditional ice trays or pricier models. Here's why it stands out. Cost-effective, often available at a fraction of the cost of high-end models like the GE Profile Opal. It offers similar performance without breaking the bank. Noise levels. Operates quietly, making it suitable for offices or homes where noise is a concern. Ice storage. While the basket isn't insulated, the included ice bags make it easy to store excess ice, ensuring you never waste a cube. For those hesitant about countertop space, its compact design ensures it fits even in cozy kitchens or RVs, making it a practical choice for any setting. Final verdict. Why you need the Ecozy Nugget ice maker. The Ecozy Nugget ice maker countertop isn't just an appliance. It's a game changer for anyone who loves refreshing drinks, effortless entertaining, or the satisfying crunch of nugget ice. With its 33 pounds daily output, self-cleaning ease, compact stainless steel design, and user-friendly operation, it's a standout in 2025's crowded ice maker market. Whether you're hosting a party, upgrading your kitchen, or outfitting an office, this machine delivers ice-cold perfection every time. Don't settle for lukewarm drinks or tedious ice trays. Elevate your refreshment game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.